students, this is your teacher Mr. Mohammad Ramzan. Today I will talk about learner guide for the students of accounting IGCSE 0452 and Cambridge O Level 7707. This guide have 6 different sections. Section 1 having syllabus content for the students, and in section 2 you will know how you will be assessed. In section 3 you will know what kind of skills will be assessed in this section. Section 4 having command words. In section 5 example candidate response, and in section 6 revision. Section 1 syllabus content. This section gives you outline of the syllabus like number 1 fundamental of accounting, sources and recording of data, verification of accounting records, accounting procedures, preparation of financial statements, analysis and interpretation. Number 7 accounting principles and policies. Section 2 how you will be assessed. You will be assessed in your examination by using 2 different components. Component 1 mean paper 1, component 2 mean paper 2. Paper 1 having 35 MCQs, time allowed 1 hour 15 minutes, and skills that will be assessed in this component, in this paper P1, that is knowledge and understanding analysis. In detail we can say that MCQs can be taken from anywhere of your syllabus. Percentage qualification, that is 30%. Paper 2 is structure written paper. Paper 2 have 100 marks. Time allowed 1 hour 45 minutes. In this paper, a student have to attempt all the 5 questions. 100 marks divided on 5 different questions equally. It means each and every question have 20 marks. And also these questions can be taken anywhere from the syllabus, and time allowed that is 1 hour 45 minutes. What kind of skills will be assessed in this paper? In this paper like P1 knowledge and understanding analysis, additional skill that will be assessed in P2, that is evaluation skill. And also questions can be taken from anywhere of your syllabus, and the percentage qualification, that is 70%. It means you have 3 hours to hunt 135 marks. Thank you very much.